How good and pleasant it is when gods live together in unity. Praise be Jesus and Mary. So, what is family? Is it a union of married couple having a child or offspring? As our generation develops, the standard definition of family is slowly changing. But one thing that will never change in a family is the unity. They say love is the one of a family, and that is true. But what is unity in the family? Unity is the product of love, having its other backs, supporting one dream, accepting and handling challenges, forgiving one another, and choosing to love. Even though the different struggles in life is what makes up a family, no matter how big or small the size of your family. Family is very important. It is what holds our society. It produces the most valuable asset to our community, and it is our children. We, the parents, are responsible in molding our child to the very best that we can be, so that when they face the real world, they can handle themselves independently, inspire others, and make a family of their own to continue the cycle of life. Without a family, the world will not revolve because, again, family is the basic unit of society. But this pandemic did not pose a threat to us. Our kids are at home doing their online class. Dad is working from home in the next room, and mom is doing her household work downstairs. And all of this done under a roof. The pandemic has given us the opportunity and time to spend more with our family at home. The family day, may we not be able to celebrate it together at the same place, but we will celebrate it the same time together with the faculty, staff, and our family. Together in unity, let us welcome and celebrate this family day with the theme, Family is Forever.